guys, today I got some new chickens, and I named one of them Jake since the support worker has left me on Friday, and the chicken will help me, but yeah. So let's have a look at it. Come on, Jake.
Do you want to wait till it's all set up and we have some food, and then we can start? Or do you want to take a video out there?
Yeah. Come on, Jake. Come on. Hey guys, this one is a buka. This one is scrambled. So what is that one? That one can be rind.
So
You point it out.
Jake.
Yep.
Scrambled. Kabuka. I reckon this one is Ryan because it's got a long tail like Ryan's long hair. We need 2 more names.
That one can be Brittany.
You want Brit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then Luke.
And Luke's this one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. They're all huddled together.
They are.
Hello guys, me again. I'm about to fill up the chicken's feeder, so yeah, enjoy.
Beautiful, great job, buddy.
Yeah.
Put this back up here.
What happened to the table down here?
Yeah, so go over to a room and they get down to their level. Not worried yet. Sprinkle a little bit on the ground first.
Gonna lead them out.
They're just getting used to their new surrounds.
Oh, not all in one spot.
That's all right.
Yeah, they'll lead hopefully out.
Yeah, I bought that one beer.
wait till it's all set up and we have some food, and then we can start. Or do you want to take a video out there?
Yeah. Come on, Jake. Hey guys, this one is a buka. This one is scrambled. And there's the one of that one. That one can be rind.
So yeah.
Keep pointing out.
So Jake,
Yep.
scrambled, a buka. This one is Ryan because it's got a long tail like
Yeah.
Ryan's long hair. We need 2 more names.
That one can be Brittany.
Do you want Brit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then Luke.
And Luke's this one.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. They're all huddled together.
They are.
Sorry.
That's right.
Just filling up their thing if you want to fill it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put your phone down. Filming.
Do you want me to?
Yeah.
Beautiful, great job, buddy. Back up here.
What happened to the table?
When they get down to their level.
Yeah, I bought that one.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and leave a like, and please show your support by leaving a like and consider subscribing for me and Jake. Thank you. Any inquiries, guys, please email inquiries at cody32505ytchannel.onmicrosoft.com, and we'll reach out and we'll respond to as soon as possible. Thank you. And Jake, if you see me, please email me at cody0553@gmail.com. Thank you. If you have any inquiries, guys, please remember to email inquiries at cody32505ytchannel.onmicrosoft.com, and we'll respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you.